Welcome back to another video, and we are in Boston at the stadium at Ellenders. Is it Ellenders? Ellenders?
Ellenders.
Ellenders. The Jakeman's Community Stadium, which is Boston FC. It's got a lovely little restaurant, so even if there's not a car show on, why not just come down here for some food? So let me just go and show you the restaurant now. Just making my way. I'll put a link in the description to the actual restaurant so you can see all the menus and everything else they do here. But no, what a great place. And they've managed to sort us out some food over here. So we've always something to eat and drink. Kindly let us have a TT meet here. So this is the first of the Midlands TT owners group, and we've got quite a lot of people that have come down from Yorkshire. So let's have a look and see what cars have turned up today. We've only promoted this for about 2 weeks, but we will be doing a bigger meet later on in the year, if not beginning of next year, because seasons are drying up now and there's not so many meets. So let's have a look at the cars that have turned up. So I bought both of mine. I really don't use them that much, and as some of you will know, that these are unfortunately both up for sale, as it's time for me to move up to an RS. Lovely Mark 1 there, Roadster.
Yeah.
Long day, half hour.
There's Barry's V6. For his shiny bits.
We met at the Cambridge churches.
There's Barry there. Hello, people have come to the mini meet.
Hello.
Hello, it's my new salesman.
Everybody commission.
I know. Well, we could 5%. Another V6 there.
Because he moved from the south. And then he...
So there's quite a lot of V6s turn up, which is nice. There's Wayne's. He's done a lot of work on his one. Go and check out his channel. I will put a link in the description to Wayne's channel, so go and give him some love, subscribe to him and show him some support.
How did you? Then you were posh.
Mark 3, the only Mark 3 that's came today. Very nice one though.
I like the wheels on it.
It's nice, isn't it?
Wheels are good on it as well.
Yeah. TTS.
That one's good as yours.
Yeah. Now this is a special Mark 1 because it's got a TTS engine in it. Yeah. So it's got the same engine what's in my convertible Roadster in the Mark 1. And there's the spec sheet there. Oh.
Do you want me to put it
Yeah,
down?
you can hold that down. Let's have a look. There you go. So I hope that's come out on camera. But a cracking car, this one. A lot of time and work's gone into this.
That's not the same dummy. I like the seats. Gaming seats.
It's got to be one of the best Mark 1s out there, this.
Yeah.
It's got the Mark 1 looks with the Mark 2 reliability. And then we have this lovely QS. Like this. Always looks like a special place to be in a QS.
Certainly does. Same speakers as my dad's on.
Here another V6. Very tidy example. Darren's Mark II Roadster. Looks really clean. Really nice example. S-line with a few little bits on it. Looks really smart, that. Really smart. And move on to the NRS. Now this is Kingfisher Blue, and apparently there's only 3 of them. And the camera is really not doing it justice on how nice this colour is. It looks a lot darker on the video than it is in real life. It's a cracking colour. Yeah, look how dark it looks on the camera compared to weird, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. But what a nice car. I did try buying it off him as soon as it turned up, but he was not selling it. Yeah, just a small little meet. So a lot of people come down from Yorkshire, which is nice of them to come and show their support to the Midlands group, which is only a new group. It's only been going for a couple of months now, but we're building it up. It's all travelled down to us.
All the way from Yorkshire.
All the way from Yorkshire.
What am I doing with that now?
Where you want?
What?
Have a chat. Talk to the people, Wayne.
Oh, you're recording it now?
Yeah, you're recording, mate.
Give me time.
That's all right. That's all right. I can edit.
I can edit.
It's sort of combined the Yorkshire group with the new Midlands group.
That's it, mate.
Pretty more Yorkshire's come down with it.
I did actually say that before, to be fair. I was just like, oh yeah, yeah, because it's like, oh look at that, you know, we've got tons and tons of Yorkshire folk. Well, this is it, yeah.
Barry's
aircraft? No, I haven't.
Just find somewhere to put that, Chris. It isn't sticking to where I want it to.
That's it, you're good there.
Oh, are we sorted now, are we?
Oh, I can't hear me. It's only kicking you up.
I know, I was going to say, because I'm feeling under pressure now, do you know what I mean? So yes, we've come down today from the Yorkshire TT owners to support Car Chris with his latest move of house. Lancashire. You can't say that because then he doesn't get paid for it. Shh. So anyway, try again. Where was I?
I'm northern now.
I know, this is it, yeah.
It's outside the M25, isn't it?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Try again. So we're here today supporting Car Chris with his first car meet in the Midlands. There's a good few of us that have turned up from the Yorkshire TT owners. We've got Chris Smith with his 2-litre TFSI, which I'm sure you've seen on Chris's video already, parked up there. There's a nice array of 3.2s across, and we've also got Chris's 2 cars. Both of them are for sale, aren't they? Have you sold them yet?
Indeed.
You sold them?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay, so they're still available.
They're still available at this time.
So going forward, hopefully it'll be something that we can do more. I know, yeah, well, yeah. This is just me, innit? That's hopefully going.
I think I've another one of those I can clip on.
Have you? Yeah. Sorry. So hopefully going forward, we'll be able to do some more meets. We've got another one with the Yorkshire TT owners in Doncaster for any of those who want to attend. I'm not sure if Chris can make it or not for that one.
Give us the dates and stuff, mate.
Yeah. So I'll put that for you. Well, I'll send it to you, and then you can put it in the description and so on and so forth. Yeah. Sound. Yeah, I don't really think there's much else to talk about. Oh yeah, we can talk about the car a little bit. We'll talk about the car. So in terms of the work that's been done on the car so far, so we've got a colour-coded steering wheel, so that's the Mark II steering wheel that I had originally. But this centre section here, I'm going to be looking at trying to get that in a suede, perhaps. And this section here, I've got something in the post for that, Chris, which is going to be suede and leather cover for that, so that'll tie in nicer. And it's just looking at little bits and pieces that can try and make the car a little bit different. I think it's the first time that you've seen this car. Yeah. So in terms of the parts that's on it, we've got the Votex side skirts that are on there. The other thing that I did like was the ABT grille. So if we have a wander around at that bad boy, I was quite proud of this one.
Did you paint the grille?
No. So fortunately the grille, I managed to pick this up from a guy in West London, I want to say, Staines. So here is my little quirky touch. So here would normally be the ABT, but that 3.2 badge which you normally get on the back has been put on the front. The only other thing I've done underneath the bonnet here is the carbon dynamic air filter. Now there's a big discussion around whether or not filters actually benefit the naturally aspirated engine because of the warm air. So I melted the original spout, so now the cold air is coming in from the OEM spot. Whether or not that makes any difference, who knows.
I think it will help.
And with it being tuned recently, it's now running 256 brake horsepower, 340 newton meters of torque. So it's actually not too bad for an NA engine, considering it come out at 247.
I've got some big things coming on the channel soon. I'm just trying to sort of cut little bits out in the background, and I know I haven't really been uploading much recently. It's almost like I've had writer's block. I think what it is was where I was doing the TTS Roadster project, I got so used to filming stuff when I was like physically doing something to a vehicle. I sort of got in that was the only thing I really wanted to film, but there's loads of bits that I've been doing, and yeah. So I will be uploading some more over the next few weeks, if not month. So I'll be bringing some more contents here. Here comes Sean. But yeah, people might know I'm actually looking at buying an RS. I've looked at 3 already. I'm going to go and look at another one this week, and I will try and take you on the journey when I go and look at this next one. So stay tuned.